guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we learn Loop Flow plugin in After Effects. It's a free plugin, so let's get started. First we import the image, duplicate this image, and change the name to map. We lock the image layer. On the map layer we apply a loop flow effect. Then we draw a mask, like this. Then we change the sum settings in loop flow. You are doing the same as I do. After this we turn off visibility, and apply a fastbox blur effect, and blur radius value we put 3. Then we add a new adjustment layer, and apply a displacement map. And change the setting, same as I do. We duplicate the map layer, and change name to color, and turn on visibility. Delete the fastbox blur effect, and uncheck map draw and background. Then we click here, and go to distortion noise. We change the setting, same as I do. Then we apply VC color, and change the color. And click on here. Then we apply a deep glow effect. Adjustment layer beneath the color layer. In the deep glow effect, we uncheck the unmount. Then we click on the map layer, and go to the alpha across the ramp, and we change the graph like this. And it's done. Please subscribe to my channel for upcoming updates, and amazing tutorials.